I told you we shouldn't have come. This place is full of dangerous outlaws.
Especially when all they have to do when they're hungry is reach out and grab some Luigi.
Mario, if Luigi thinks that he can teach the cave people farming, let him try.
Sure, they're gonna love it. Right, guys?
No.
Right. First, we learn how to plow. All you gotta do is make a...
That's no good.
This is shit. If those cave cretins succeed in growing their own food, I'll never be able to subjugate them.
Unless, oh Regent reptile of repulsiveness, we stole all the crops.
We could
See the island of Corridai.
It's brilliant. Glad I thought of it. If those cave loads get anything growing, I'm counting on you to plant nap it.
I will be ever vigilant, oh perfidious parent of peevishness. What?
Hey, planting is simple. It's just planting things in the plant ground. Assuming it gets to the ground. You guys can put stuff in the ground, can't you?
So how's the farming going, guys?
Bad.
Looks like a party to me.
Hey, big brother, when that crop is in, you're gonna eat some very good vegetables.
Mama always said you were good at growing.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm the little one. Tall brother. Hey, someone pilfered the produce.
Hey, Luigi, I think I see something down there. I got it.
Mario, I've heard of wheat, but weeds?
Run! That way! No, that way!
We've run out of ways.
Yeah, Luigi, the only way we can run now is into trouble!
Mario, we're plant food.
What's happening up there?
Ring, 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 banana phone. I've got this feeling so appealing.
Cheatsy Koopa, you plant pilfering pest!
Listen to me, you pathetic bee-brained problem-producing plumbers. You'll never see your crops again.
Well, that's what you think, cheapskate!
The only way you guys are gonna eat is by shopping at the Koopa Mart.
Well, that's what you think, cheapskate!
So long, sucker.
Well, that's what you think!
Oh, shut up.
We're gonna get those crops back! No creepy Koopa's gonna louse up Luigi!
What?
Mario was attacked by a magic balloon. Oh, that was close.
Good work, my buck-toothed battalion. In fact, better than good. This is shit-iferous. The cave people will have to
Join me.
or
Die.
Oh, Chasey, is there anyone more despicable than you?
Yes! Yes!
No.
What the fuck?